Wow, yummy. Okay, let's let it cool off. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how I make some delicious Hong Kong styled egg bubble waffles. So it's gonna be very tasty and delicious. Basically, I haven't seen anyone make this waffle before, so today I'm just going to be testing it out. Basically, waffles is basically just like cake batter and all that stuff, but let's just see how I do it and let's see the results when it come out. So let's do this. Okay guys, let's make this batter. So first I'm going to crack in 4 eggs. The more eggs you put in, the better, because Hong Kong style egg waffles, they love that eggy flavor. Okay, first crack in 4 eggs. Let's just give it a little mix first. Okay, so once you give this a little mix, let's add in some sugar. Okay, so 4 eggs, we're going to be adding in 4 tablespoons of white sugar. If you don't like it that sweet, you can just add 2 tablespoons. But the sweeter the better, because this is like a dessert. And if you really want it to be sweeter, just add in 1 more tablespoon. But 4 tablespoons should be enough. Let's give this a little mix again. So if you add in 3 eggs, then you add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. It's up to you. We're gonna make this and then we'll taste how it is. Okay, next we're going to add in some full cream milk. So since it's 4 eggs, I'm just going to be adding in 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's give this a mix again. Okay, next we're gonna add in some vanilla extract. So let's add in about a teaspoon, just like that. Let's give that a mix again. Okay, so now we want to like make the egg waffles like fluff up, like to increase its size. So I got here some baking powder. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix it again. And then you also want the waffles to be crispy. So over here I got some baking soda over here. I'm gonna add in just 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Just give that a mix inside. Okay, next over here I have 20 grams of melted unsalted butter. So just add this in. So it's like 5 grams per egg, so it's 4 eggs, so it's 20 grams. So if you have you made 3 eggs, then you just add 15 grams of butter. So just like that. Okay, just mix this up. It's gonna give this buttery flavor on these egg bubble waffles over here. Okay, once you give this a good whisk and all the ingredients has fused up, the last ingredient is to add in cake flour or all-purpose flour, but I'll be adding in some cake flour. So it's a low-gluten flour that you're adding in here. Okay, now you're just going to get a sieve to sieve in your flour so that it won't form any clumps in the batter. Let's add in 1 tablespoon here. We want like a thick batter. So if after I add in these 4 tablespoons and it's still a bit wet and not thick, then this recipe might require more flour. That's faster. Batter looking good. Okay, so we're just going to whisk this up until the batter is smooth. The consistency looks good. Because if the batter is too thick when you put it on the egg bubble machine, it's gonna come out very thick kind of bubbles, egg waffles, and you don't want that. You just want the right consistency. And you also want to taste that egg flavor. If you add too much flour, you lose that egg flavor. Okay, looks like everything has fused up nicely. Let's see. Okay, you can see it's still very wet. I think it requires 1 more tablespoon of cake flour. Let's add that in. Let's mix this up again. Yes, that's what we're looking for. It's looking good, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. Look at the consistency. You can see it's no more that drippy. Nice. But it's still a bit wet. But this time I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of custard powder. Okay guys, so I got some vanilla flavored custard powder over here. Let's add in 1 tablespoon. Check that out. Okay, let's mix this in and this should be the right consistency. This is the right consistency, guys. When you're whisking this batter and you can feel this whisk is getting very hard and thick to whisk this batter, this is what we're looking for. That custard powder is going to make this waffle taste absolutely delicious. Okay, just whisk it until everything has fused nicely. Yes, this is the right consistency that I'm looking for. Wow, my hands are getting tired from whisking this thick batter. Okay guys, let's see. Check that out. That's what you're looking for. Nice. Let's make this egg bubble waffle now. Let's preheat our bubble machine. Okay guys, so here's my egg bubble waffle machine over here. Ooh, it's hot. Let's add in the batter. Put it in the center. You don't want to put too much, or else once we close this, it's going to splatter everywhere. Let's close it up. Might need to tune the heat to a bit of medium, not so hot. And let's just let this cook for a few minutes and check on it. Wow guys, it's smelling so good. I can smell it from here. Just look at your timer. This should take around 5 minutes. So after a few minutes, you can take a look at it. Hey guys, I think it's been like 3 minutes. Let's just take a little peek. Oh my god, just check at that. Wow. Nice. Wow. Let's just see. Wow, guys. It requires just maybe 1 minute more. Guys, this egg bubble machine I'm using is it's made by Hager. So it's Haeger. So it's a Hager brand waffle egg bubble waffle machine. The heat level it doesn't indicate, but I first preheated it on the highest heat, and then I just tuned it down 1 or 2 notches down so that it doesn't end up burning the waffle. Okay, after a minute, let's check on it. Wow. You can see just now when I lifted it out, it wasn't that crispy, but after this minute, you can feel it's starting to get crisp up. Nice. Maybe 30 more seconds. Okay, it should be perfect. Let's check this out. Wow. Yes, this is what we're looking for. Ooh, wow, super hot. Woohoo. Wow. Let's check at that, guys. Let's just flip it over. Check at that. It's gonna be so delicious. Let's plate it. Let it cool off. Let's add in another scoop. But before you add in, just give your batter a little whisk. Then we can add in. Make sure to add it in the center, then you'll spread out. Adding in 2 scoops here. Let's close it. So guys, it took approximately 5 minutes. So if your waffle's not that crispy yet, then you'll require a little bit more time. Okay, you see over here, this was the first waffle over here. Check that out. Nice. Now when you let it cool, it even gets more crispier. Thanks to the baking soda and also the baking powder that is fluffed up like this. Just check that out. Wow. Can't wait to taste this for you guys. Looking so beautiful. Okay guys, so I just took out another waffle maker because it's going to take a long time, and if you use 2 it'll be way more faster. So this has been like 4 minutes. Check that out. You can see it's still a bit soft. So if you feel it's still a bit soft, you just gotta leave it in a bit longer, and then until it gets crispy. So let's just let this one heat up. Okay, this one heated up. Let's add in the batter. Add in 2 scoops. Okay guys, this one should be ready. The second one. Nice and crispy. Let's take it out. Ooh, super hot. Wow, check that out. Wow, look at that. Let's layer it on the plate. Let's add in another batch. Let's add in some more batter for this one. Okay guys, let's check on our third waffle over here. Should be ready. Wow, look at that. Whew. Wow, check that out. Okay, let's place to cool. Okay guys, I'm adding in my final batter. It looks like it can just make 5 waffles over here. Let's add in the final batter. The fifth waffle, egg bubble waffle looks like it's gonna be a bit tiny. Not enough batter. So all in all, guys, This recipe can make about 4.5 waffles over here. Let's close this up. Okay, let's check our fourth waffle here. You can see this one we didn't add in like much batter, but still good. Ooh, super hot. Check at that beautifulness. Wow. Check that out. Okay, let's plate it to cool and we'll wait for our last tiny waffle over there. Guys, check this out. Look at that. You can see these 4 waffles here. Just letting it cool off. See, once it's cooled off, it becomes super crispy, guys. Wow, look at that. Oopsie. Oh, broke. Oh, broke. But it's fine, guys. Oh, nice. Let's check that out. Okay, guys, this is my 5th one. Check that out. Let's place this on top. Wow, finally done. Now just let this cool for like 10 minutes and let's try this out. Okay, guys, it's time to taste my delicious homemade egg bubble waffles, Hong Kong style. Hopefully it's Hong Kong style. But hey, as you can see, wow, looking good. My own recipe. I didn't read nothing. I just thought about it and I just made it, guys. So hope you guys give it a try and let's just give this a little taste. Just check this out. What? Let's check this bite. So fluffy inside. The taste is magnificent. It's like cake. Right amount of sugar, guys. So per 1 egg, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Wow. Wow. So good. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it went, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys, for watching.